Brand new 2025 Coachmen Catalina 283 Epic. Let's not even waste any time. Let's just get right to the point. This has a cool back end on it. Look at those huge patio doors that you can look out of and see your lake wherever you're at. You got a nice big deck on the back. Speakers outside. It's lit up. It's prepped for a backup camera. Man, you could just sit out there at the lake or wherever you're at and enjoy it from all the views on all sides. Easy to use. This has true auto leveling, not just stab jacks. Push the button and it auto levels all on its own. Super easy to use. Buttons are there. Tells you how to do it right there if you forget. Battery shut off switch right there. We're gonna put a battery on here for you, a big Group 27 interstate battery. We're gonna fill the propane tanks up for you. Has a nice big, well finished off pass-through storage. I'm gonna go around this side real quick. Now, inside here, magnet. Inside here you have your monitor right here for solar. Nothing you got to do, it's just a battery charger. So solar on the roof, this says when to cut off so it doesn't overcharge. Then you got two switches here, one for the awning, and you got the other one that turns on these lights right on the front cap. So all the way up and down this front cap, there's lights on both sides. It looks really cool at night. I might have a picture in there of that, but definitely worth taking a look at. It's got the flip up steps. You see it has the nice rims. JBL audio, huge awning running up there. Let's go inside, check out some more cool features. There's the ladder that hangs off the back of the deck so you don't have to jump up. And then queen bed. You got storage all around the bed. Right on top of the nightstands right there, place for your phone and such, and there's plug-ins. Then you walk into the bathroom. So big storage, big fan, ducted air, ducted heat. You can see the heat ducts all the way through. Big neo-angle shower, sink in the bathroom, medicine cabinet. Now we come into the living room and kitchen, and more storage. There's actually a lot of storage spots here. So there, up top. You got the whole pantry here. Very deep storage. It's over 2 feet deep. Storage underneath the table. It's a nice big U-shaped dinette that makes into a bed. This goes on that ladder that goes outside on the deck right between those posts right there. So the ladder goes down and you'll have right there is the railing. So reclining sofa. Now this is an electric recliner. So for those tall guys that their feet won't stay up when you recline with a pull style one, this is electric, so no matter what, your feet will stay up. Then swinging real quick before we get into the projector camera. You got a little bar set up, nice big sink. You got a glass washer right here. You put the glass over it and it'll wash right there. Oven, 3-burner stove. Huge 12-volt fridge. We go with 12-volt fridges on everything now because they're less expensive. They're like half the price of a gas electric. They're bigger, 10.7 cubic foot instead of 6 or 8. And they cool faster. So instead of 24 hours to cool down, it's just like your home fridge, 2-3 hours, it's cold. So it's a win-win-win. And yes, when you're pulling it from your truck, it's charging the battery, which runs the fridge. You got the solar that charges the fridge. And if you're on a generator, obviously you're plugged in. So no matter what you're doing, it's charging the battery. Now up on the ceiling here, you can see this has 2 air conditioners. And they do have heat pumps in them. If you pause it right here, you can kind of take a look, read that. The heat pumps are now available down to 25 degrees. It used to be 45, which didn't work so well. But these work great. More storage up there. So now we get back here. So you're sitting here and you're looking across, and what you do is you lower this, and this is a projector screen, and right across the way is your projector. So you Bluetooth that to your phone, and anything you can get on your phone, streaming and such, it'll Bluetooth right onto that screen, and it's a good size. It probably takes up, oh gosh, I think I have it in the pictures, but it's a good, 4 feet by 3 feet picture there, so nice. And then you can unlock and go out your patio door right here. Oh, we got the safety going. I better move that. Just like old school apartments. That's better. Look at that. So once that ladder's there, boom, you're outside, hanging out. Man, I love this. It's such a cool camper. And here's the view from the other end. So right there, you can see that's how you run your JBL audio. There is a remote control. You got a dimmer for the lights. And then there's going to be 2 thermostats like this, one for each air conditioner. And then all your functions right there and right there. So come out and get this one. It's really cool. You'll be the talk of the campground for sure. Thank you.